Hello everyone, my project topic is election result analysis. In this project, I will be doing analysis of a given dataset, that is result of the election using Power BI. An election is a formal process in which citizens vote to select individual for public office or to decide on specific policies and initiatives. Elections are essential for several reasons like democratic participation, accountability, and political stability. Elections are vital for maintaining democratic principle, ensuring accountability, and reflecting the public voice in government. Power BI. I'm using Power BI for analyzing my data set. Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what's important, and share that with anyone or everyone you want. It excels at creating visual and appealing interactive dashboards. The drag and drop interfaces empowers user to generate compelling visualization effortlessly. This platform support a wide arrays of charts, graphs, and custom visuals, facilitating effective data communication. It has features like easy to use, real-time data processing, collaboration, and sharing. So my objective of this project is data integration, merge election results with party alliances data to create a unified view, data quality, implement cleaning and preparation steps to ensure accuracy, data analysis, perform detailed analysis and visualization to extract meaningful insight, interactive dashboard, develop a dashboard for dynamic data exploration, insights and recommendation, providing a strategic recommendation based on the findings. Here we are given with the two data set, that is election result data set, and the another one is the alliance data set. In election result data set, we have a column of ID which uniquely identifies each record. State column contain the name of the state. Constituent number means the number of constituency, and constituency means the name of the constituency. Your name of the leading candidate, name of the leading party, and your the name of the trailing candidate, name of the trailing party, and margins means the vote margin between the leading and the trailing candidate. Status means the status of the election result, that is won, lost, leading, trailing. In the alliance dataset, we have two columns. The first column contain the party name, that is name of the political party, and the second column contain the alliance name, that is the name of the political alliance. Data integration process combined dataset, linking election result with party alliances to see which alliances are succeeding in different constituencies. Identifications of trend, determining leading and trailing alliances to inform strategic decisions. The outcome will be a consolidated dataset that allows for comprehensive analysis across multiple dimensions. Data cleaning and preparation, quality check, missing values, identify and addresses any gaps in the data to prevent skewed analysis, inconsistencies, standardize formats, example party names, constituency codes to ensure uniformity. Error correction, review data for anomalies and rectify inaccuracies. Calculated matrices, percentage margin, calculate the difference between winning and losing votes as a percentage. Win rate, determining the success rate of each party alliances across constituencies. Interactive dashboard created in Power BI to analyze the 2024 election data. Filters are used to explore data by state-wise, constituency, party alliances, and status. Key performance indicators, that is KPIs, the total seats won margin, constituents won by alliances, and visualizations to summarize overall results, state-wise performance, constituency-wise analysis, party and alliance comparison trend analysis. This is my dashboard, that is report of my analysis. I had used slicer for selecting the state for viewing the state-wise result, and same for selecting the constituency. I had used cards for counting total constituency and showing the leading candidates. I had used map to show the state-wise leading party, used a stacked bar chart to show the total seats of party and to show the win margin, used column chart for showing total seats of alliances and total seats of states. Here the state selected is all, and the above parameter is showing result as state. As you can see, the total constituency count of all the state, that is 540, and the leading candidate is in the total seat of party. The most leading party is Bharatiya Janata Party and second is Congress, and the most seats are of UP.
As you can see here, I had changed the state name to Gujarat, and you can see the changes which is made automatically to the graph. Here the leading candidate is Amit Shah, and same here with respect to the Bihar state.
Insights and recommendation. Key insights are voter behavior and performance gap. Voter behavior analyze demographic trends and shift in voter sentiment. Performance gaps identify areas where parties may be underperforming or facing challenges. Strategic recommendations are targeted campaigns. Suggest focused strategies for underperforming regions based on constituency analysis. Align strengthening. Recommended buildings coalitions in
Competitive areas to enhance electoral
analysis of
success.
the 2024 election data provides comprehensive insights into party performance and voter trends across constituents. The interactive dashboard created in Power BI allows stakeholders to explore detailed election outcomes and dynamics between political alliances, aiding strategic decision making for future election.